What it do, YouTube? So for today's video, I'm going to be going over the most important punch in boxing, which is the jab. You can use the jab to set up big shots. You can use it to throw your opponent's timing off, and you can use it to stay on the outside during a fight and ultimately get the decision in a fight. There are many things you can do with the jab, and it is the most important punch in boxing. If you study any of the greats in boxing, they all had a great jab. So I'm going to go over the basic jab with you all, show you all how to throw it, and let me know in the comment section below if you all learned something from this video, hoping it could be helpful to you all. So this is a very basic but important tip for boxing. We have to instill the basics. If you study people like Andre Ward, till this day they still talk about how important the jab was and how it helped them win fights even at the highest level of boxing. All right, so I'm here in the gym, but if you all do not have a gym, it is okay. You can still practice the jab at home without any equipment. So first things first, and I'm gonna start over here before I go over to the bag. So we want to get in that boxing stance. So we're here, and for my front foot, I'm a right-handed fighter, so I have an orthodox stand. Let me come over here some just to make sure you all can see my feet. All right, so my left foot is forward. I kind of have that at like 1 o'clock. I alternate between 1 and 12 o'clock. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna keep it at 1 o'clock. Back foot is pretty much at 2 o'clock. That's the stance I'm comfortable in. So you all see my feet placement. Now my hand got our elbows in. We're on the balls of our feet. So we're nice and ticky, going back and forth. I'm just gonna face you all just so you all can see, you know, kind of how I'm looking at my stance. We want the elbows in. We don't want the elbows flared out. We want them in so we can be ready to protect the body if we need to. Also block those shots up top if we need to. Keep those elbows in. Or if we need to block the middle, we're good there also. So side view so you all can just see. So I'm here, but I'm still able to move, ready to slip, roll if I need to. So got a good base here. All right, now as we get ready for the jab. So I want you all to first pay attention to my feet. So once again, I'm gonna step over here just so you all can see my foot. And the first thing I'm gonna do before even throwing a punch, I'm gonna just show you all the jab step. So front foot, 1 o'clock, back foot at about 2 o'clock, jab step. So we're just stepping with that jab, getting ready to set the jab up. So now when we go to throw that jab step, throw it all the way out. So jab step. So as we throw it out, we want to do what my coach likes to call a corkscrew. So we want to form that corkscrew as we throw it out. So we're here, elbows in, we take that jab step. You all can see we turn that all the way over, and then on a recoil, you want to bring it right back because you want to be able to protect yourself. So you want to bring that hand right back to where it was. So if your opponent comes back with the punch, you're already in position to block that. So here, got our jab. We're here, elbows in, turn it over. And that's literally a drill that you can repeat over and over and over and over again. The jab is something that will never get old. So this is something that I practice every day at home, and when I'm in the gym, I work on it. So I'm gonna show you all what it's like when throwing the jab on the bag. So let's go ahead, we get in our stance. We're here, got our feet straight, elbows in. Want to be sure you got good distance from the bag because we don't want to smother our punch. So if I'm in too close and I'll throw that jab, then my arm isn't able to extend all the way out. So my jab is not as effective as it would be if I stood back some and then all the way out there. Get that full extension. There. Turn it all the way over. Extend that jab all the way out. And that is how you throw the most important punch in boxing. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel so that you all can see more tips on boxing and other fitness tips. Hope you all enjoyed. Catch you on the next one. Peace.